In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlist property on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pause new reservations by closing your availability in the Booking.com extranet. This method is ideal when you need to stop selling temporarily for renovations, seasonal breaks, or any operational pause without deleting your property. First, log into the Booking.com extranet. This is the partner dashboard where you manage everything about your property. If you manage more than one property, make sure the correct one is selected before you continue. You'll need the right access level to make changes, so confirm you're using an account with permission to edit availability. Once you're in, head to the top menu and open Rates and Availability. This is where you control what guests can book and on which dates. From there, click Calendar. The calendar view shows your room types and dates in a grid, along with pricing and availability controls. It's the central place for turning sales on or off. Next, select all dates you want to close. To truly unlist, you'll want to include all future dates. Depending on your view, you can drag to highlight broad ranges or use available options to select all dates at once. Make sure your selection covers every room type you want to stop selling, not just a single room or a short date range. If your calendar shows separate rows for different rooms, verify that they're all included in your selection. With your dates highlighted, click Close Rooms or Stop Selling. The exact label may vary by region or interface, but the function is the same. It blocks new reservations for the selected dates. This does not cancel existing bookings. It simply prevents any new ones from coming in. If you have guests already booked, continue to honor those reservations or manage them according to your policies. Finally, click Save. This step is essential. Your changes won't go live until you save. Look for a confirmation message and a visual change on the calendar, such as the date switching to a closed status. If anything looks off, reselect the dates and repeat the action, then save again. That's it. You've unlisted your property by closing availability across your calendar. To recap, you signed into the extranet, went to Rates and Availability, opened the calendar, selected all relevant dates, clicked Close Rooms or Stop Selling, and saved your changes. Take a moment to review your calendar to ensure everything is closed exactly as intended.